Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's designed to revolutionize your kitchen experience, the Moen Adler Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Power Clean. We found this innovative faucet online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. The Moen Adler faucet is a sleek and modern kitchen fixture that boasts a number of impressive features, primarily its touchless activation. Designed with convenience in mind, this faucet uses a single-sensor MotionSense wave technology, allowing you to turn the water on and off simply by waving your hand. This means no more touching the faucet with dirty or wet hands, which not only keeps your faucet clean but also enhances hygiene in your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Moen Adler is its Power Clean technology. This innovation provides 50% more spray power compared to most traditional pull-down and pull-out faucets that lack this feature. So whether you're rinsing vegetables, washing dishes, or cleaning your sink, you can expect a powerful and effective spray that gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Installation is another area where the Moen Adler shines. It comes equipped with the Duralock Quick Connect system, making it easy for anyone, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a novice, to install without needing a professional plumber. And for those who might be concerned about power sources, the faucet includes 6 AA batteries right out of the box. This eliminates the need for a dedicated outlet, although you also have the option for AC power if you prefer. The faucet's design is versatile and stylish, featuring a highly reflective chrome finish that gives it a mirror-like appearance. This makes it a perfect fit for a variety of kitchen styles, whether your decor leans toward modern, traditional, or somewhere in between. It's not just about looks, though. The design also incorporates the reflex system, allowing for smooth operation and easy movement of the spray head, which securely docks back into place after use. So, who is the Moen Adler Touchless Kitchen Faucet suitable for? This faucet is perfect for busy families, home cooks, or anyone who frequently finds themselves in the kitchen preparing meals or cleaning up afterward. Its touchless feature is especially beneficial when your hands are full or messy, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen tasks while maintaining cleanliness. You might also find it useful if you have children or pets at home. Not only does it make it easier for the little ones to help out in the kitchen, but it also reduces the risk of spreading germs by minimizing contact with the faucet. Additionally, the ADA compliance means that it's an accessible option for individuals with varying abilities, further broadening its appeal. In practical use, imagine cooking dinner and needing to rinse your hands. Instead of turning the faucet on and off, you can simply wave your hand, maintaining the cleanliness of your workspace. When it comes time to clean up, the Power Clean feature really shines, cutting down your dishwashing time significantly and making it easier to tackle stubborn food residues. In summary, the Moen Adler Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Power Clean is a fantastic upgrade for any kitchen, combining practicality with style and advanced technology. Its touchless feature, powerful spray, and easy installation make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.